Hi guys, the Dream here. In today's video, we are catching up on the latest content, which is the Bangtan bomb, how ARMY was put together on the set of Butter MV, how they created the ARMY like letters and the sign of ARMY, like the word of ARMY behind R.M. in his verse. And I'm so excited to watch this, oh my goodness. And I really want to know why JIMINIE was the letter Y there, and then in the other choreo he is with Yoongi for M, not and Hobi is the Y. So why they switched for the music video? I need to see that, and I'm super excited to watch this Bangtan bomb with you guys. It's gonna be amazing. And lately, oh my goodness, the content is just raining on us. It's raining content, oh my gosh. I'm not complaining, don't get me wrong, but it's overwhelming because I have many things to do and I need to play catch up all the time, and it's a lot. But I'm here now and we're gonna watch this Bangtan bomb together today. So let's go. Okay, I'm ready, the pillow is here, but I'm not ready. Yeah, not at all, but we're gonna go. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so fun to see how they did that and everything. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Click. Oh, the A with cookie and tin. Look at them! Practicing and doing the A. No. They are trying. No, that's better. That's much better. Yoongi went R. Look at them. This is so cute. I can't. Oh my gosh. They almost hit each other. Yay! That was perfect. Yes. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I wasn't ready. I was not ready for this. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my goodness. Look at him. Look at him with his purple and pink highlights in the blonde hair. Oh my god, the butter look is everything. It was just a blessing. Oh my god. And pushed back hair. Oh my god, and this outfit. But he's talking about why he switched from M to Y. Okay, listen. I can't. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh. Look at, why you switched? Oh, because of Hobi. He's so sweet. Oh my goodness, he switched because of Hobi. He might have feel uncomfortable to show the, arms like with sleeveless shirt. Oh my gosh, he's such a sweetheart. I can't, but we need to look at him again. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look at him. I can't. And I love his earrings there, like. And his I can't. Oh my god. Okay. Johnny with this outfit was everything. And Yoongi too. Oh. Honey's. Oh my god, Tae. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? Oh my god, Tae, why? Why? Why are you showing us that? How your muscles work? What are you doing to us right now? What? Tay? Excuse me? What? But look at you, he smile. He's so happy. Oh my God, Tay! What is going on? Oh my God. Tay! Stop it! Stop it! Oh, look at him in the back doing the A! Oh my God. Oh, his little arm elephant. Oh my God, why are you working out on the set? Tay, stop it. Look at little Yoongi, he's so squishy. Oh, he was with Tae. Why I thought Hobi was with Yoongi there. It was with Tae. So JIMINIE with Tae, yes, is in the original choreo. Oh my gosh. Yoongi is doing the R. But I think one time they switched, like Tae was doing the R and JIMINIE was doing with Yoongi the M. Or I'm imagining things, I don't know. Look at him! Oh my God, I love this so much. I love this so much. JIMINIE with the shorts, with those shorts. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I love the Y. I love the Y so much. All of them are the cutest, but my Y is like Y. But yeah, oh my goodness, Y, yes. Y was perfect Y. M was great, R was great, A was great, but Y, yeah. Why is he doing this to my heart? Okay. Oh, that was the end. Oh no. That was so short. Oh my God, let's look again at the Johnny. Oh my God. Take a little smile. Oh my God, that was everything. Oh my God, I love to see that. But Tae, he surprised me so much. Like this unexpected, out of nowhere workout with those arms. What? He is trying to kill us or what? What? Tae Tae. Alright guys, so that was my reaction to this Bangtan bomb of how ARMY was created, came to be, how the like ARMY sign at the back of A.R.M. in the video was put together, and it was adorable, just as I was thinking it will be. And of course, JIMINIE Y was so perfect. It was amazing. And his gesture that he switched with Hobi because of his like shirt without sleeves and everything to make him feel more comfortable. Oh my goodness, that was just so cute and adorable and just so sweet of him. And yeah. It was everything. Those outfits were everything in the video. Oh my God, I love them. We should have gotten more scenes with those outfits. Oh my God, there should have been a version of the song just with those outfits. But yeah, I hope you liked my reaction, and if you did, please leave it a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Love you, purple you. Bye bye.